Hi French horns, welcome back. On today's video, we're doing Accent Book 2, page number 15. There's two things to learn today. One, high E flat. Yes, E flat, the one that lives up there in the fourth space of the treble clef. On single horn, we can use our second valve. On double horn, we can use trigger and our first valve. The second thing is the dotted 8th and 16th note. The dotted 8th and 16th note is a rhythm pattern that's very common. Do you remember those 4 16th notes we learned about a few pages back? Well, imagine combining 3 of the first 3 16th notes. That's the same value as a dotted 8th. What's remaining? The 4th 16th note. And that's the 16th note we see in the dotted 8th and 16th pattern. It's a very Humpty Dumpty type of sound, and it has a feel of the words Humpty Dumpty. So let's give this a try. Number 50 is our first exercise, and it's called dotted eighths. It starts on a B flat. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we're going to do that one more time. I forgot to point out that we've got B flats, E flats, and A flats. So you may have missed your 2 and 3 A flat. Mark them with a pencil if you forget your flats. Then take and erase those marks once you've mastered the song. Let's do number 50 a second time. 1, 2, ready, go. Moving on to number 51. This is a very popular song, and I bet as you play it, if there's anyone listening, I bet you they'll recognize it. It's the bridal chorus from Richard Wagner's bridal chorus from Lohengrin. It starts on the note F. And 1, 2, here we go. Remember, you can always pause, practice, rewind, and review. That may be the one you want to do it with today. So consider pausing and practicing that one just a bit longer. Then come back and try it again with us. Number 52 is the theme from the Unfinished Symphony by Franz Schubert. This is called the Unfinished Symphony because the composer died while he was writing it. However, a faithful student took up the composition and finished it for him. So let's play our theme from the Unfinished Symphony. We've got B flats and E flats and a time signature of 3/4 time. You'll notice at the end of the first line or going into the second line, our B flat changes to B natural. Make sure that you know B flat in line 1, B natural in line 2. Finish the song with a B flat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go. did you do on the unfinished symphony? Great. Number 53 is the last exercise to play on today's video. It's the Italian Street Song, and it was written by Victor Herbert. This song is in 2/4 time, and it has a B flat. Join me and let's play our Italian Street Song. Watch out for those 16th notes. Our first note is F. Here we go. 1, 2, ready and go. And there you have it, page 15. Now, we're not done just yet. You need your pencil for number 54 because you're going to be composing or constructing a scale. Notice it says major scale construction. All major scales contain the same patterns of half steps and whole steps. Using number 54, notice the pattern of the F scale, the whole steps and the half steps. Now, start on the note D and create that major scale using the same pattern of half steps and whole steps. See what you come up with, and then use your French horn and see if you've created the right scale. Do you have the right sharps? There are 2 of them. So until I see you next time, grab that pencil and make those scales. And always keep practicing.